In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Submagic AI. So first of all, you're going to go to the Submagic AI website. Just search into the Google for Submagic AI and then you will be redirected to this kind of page. So Submagic AI is basically an online AI tool which is used to create your shorts and reels without any complicated editing. So first of all, if we go to the pricing section of Submagic AI, as you can see here that we have different offers, and as you can also see here that we have a free offer which doesn't charge us anything, and by using this offer we can create 3 videos a month but with watermark. So if you want to have the videos without the watermark, you can go with any of these further plans. As you can see here, you have basic plan, pro plan, and then agency plan, which can help you create over 400 videos per month. So how can you get started? You can just click on start now on any of these plans, or if you want to go for free, you can just click on try for free option located at the upper right side of the screen, and then you want to sign up into your account. You can just sign up using your email or with Google. I'm going to go with Google. After you're done with that, you can import your media over here from your device. You're going to select here the language and then click on upload. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this kind of page, which is the main page of Submagic AI. First of all, as you can see here that you have all the different famous templates from YouTube. You have the Alex Hormozy template, you have Luke template, Ali Abdal, and many more. So for example, I want to use the Alex Hormozy 2 template. So just click on that, and then you can play your video from the right side of your screen to check how it's looking.
A lot of people get analysis paralysis.
As you can see here that this is my video. For example, I want to move my text to the lower side of the screen. For this, you're going to drag this y-axis from here, and then you can adjust this according to you. Then you also have the main colors of this template. And once you have just checked that, you can scroll up back, and here, as you can see here that you have the captions option. The Submagic AI captions are very accurate, but for example, it has made any mistake at any point, you can just click on that text and then you can change it yourself. Then you have the section of B-rolls. If you click on any of these, you can add any B-roll from this website. And once you have done that all, you can move to the last section, which is publish. Just click on that, and here it will also generate a description and hashtags for your video. And also if you want to add a music, you can just add it from here. And once you are all set, you can click on export from the upper right side of your screen. And once the loading has been completed, the video will be downloaded into your device, and then you can publish it across any social media platform.